Welcome back to my channel. How was your weekend? Mine is okay, and I hope yours is okay also. So we are working on this fabric Accra material. We are going to use it to cut A-line dress. Yes, it seems A-line dress is trending. Yes, people love it, and they also want me again to repeat it for them. So this is another client that asked me to use this fine fabric to make her own for her. So please subscribe to my channel, watch this video down to the end, and share to friends. So let's dive in now. Starting with the upper down part, please. I'm starting with the down part, and you can see the way I folded it. Remember, if you are folding this, how you fold your fabric. And before then, we'll take our length. So let me start from this side of it to take my length. So I'm placing my tape from the M-line side to get the length. The length is 44 inches. So I will mark 44 inches. So after that, then I will shift it down a bit again for to start from the upper part. So this is it now on the upper part. So as you can see. And then let me roll it. So this is where we are starting. This is where the waist will start. So I will start with my waist measurement to measure. So my waist is 30 inches. So this is my 30 inches, adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. And then I will place my tape from that waistline to mark to get my hip length. My hip length is 9 inches. So on that hip length, that is where we now measure our hip measurement. So my hip is 40 inches. So this is my 42 inches, please. This is my 42, adding 2 inches on it. And then we'll connect from the waist. So I'll connect it from the waist like this. So that is the measurement, and then we'll flare it down from the hip side. We just take it and flare it. So let me take it up so that you continue to see what I'm doing. I've that down part. I'm flaring it like this. I'll take it. So now, it will be covering at the down part of it. So I will place my tape from my waist here, and then place to get the full length again. That is the 44 inches. And hold it. That is my tape now. And continue to mark my 44 inches. So I will just continue to mark my 44 inches. So hold your tape from the waistline. And that is what I'm doing. I know the camera is not too showing it for you, but that is what I'm doing there now. So I will just continue to mark and moving my tape gently to get the measurement. So now we are getting the measurement now, and then the next step now is to cut it. Please don't mind me. The place that I'm cutting it, the place is really coming out the hair. So I will cut now. So A-line dress is what we are making, and we are cutting the down part first. And also let me show you what we folded to achieve our flare. The round flare button is 22.5 inches is what we have. So then I will continue to cut. So I'm cutting from the waist now. So this is what I'm doing here. Please, my camera, I want you to take it full so that you can see what I'm doing. So let me take it a bit. So this is it. So that's the one side of it, and that is the front that we have cut now. So can you see how it is? So we are cutting the first down part now. A-line dress will be having pockets, and this is the material that we are using to make the pocket is Asoke fabric is what they called it. And I will cut it now for you to see and place it. The pocket will be outside pocket, and we'll use it to design it. So let's cut it. Using these pieces for this pocket, so I'll place my tape to get my length. My length that I'm having here is 13.5 inches. 30.5. So then the body width that we need is 10.5. 10.5. So let me cut it out, the one that we need now. So this is what we need now. So we're going to cut the pocket side. That is where I'm placing my tape now, is up to 5.5 inches. So then we'll just cut it this way, like this, like sit back, they cut it. So that's the shape that it will have. So then I will cut. So can you see how it will be? So this is the one side of the pocket, you can see. So this is where our Asoke now comes in, now to cut and place on top. Cut out my two pockets. So this is the side that curves. So that is the two pockets. So we'll now use it to cut the fabric, that is the Asoke now. Cut the fabric now, and you see the way I place it now. I'm placing it like this. So to get my weight, I will take my weight up to like this. That is 2.5 inches. That's what I'm taking. So I'll just take it like this, using it to just curve and get the shape. So can you see now? This is what I've done there now. So I'll bring it out. So I will now continue to mark my 2.5 inches that I need and cut like this. So I'll continue to mark it to get my shape and cut. So I've gotten it, so I'll cut the one part of it now. Remember, I did not cut it exactly. I added, can add up to 1 inch on it, so that it will be on the safer side, so that it can reach it. So it's better for it to reach and remain and cut it out than not to remain or not to reach. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how to cut the pocket. So that is the one side of it now. So I will use it now, this one that I've cut out, to place and recut the second side of the pocket, that is the design that we need for the pocket. So let me place it on this side of it and cut. So you can see the way I'm cutting. So just watch it, please. Watch this video down to the end. By the time you finish watching it, bet you guys you will know how to cut this kind of pocket if you have not cut it before. So watch it down to the end. So this is it now. So this is the two side design that we will add on our pocket. So let me show you how it will be. So you can see the curving side. You place it like this. You place it like this. So what we'll do now, just to fold this side of it and sew it on top with the other side of the pocket. You sew it on top before you now put it on the body of the dress. So here is my pockets that I've fixed it now. So you can see the way I fix it now. So this is it now. Complete my dress. I will start from my back piece now. This is the one that I will use for the back, and I will have my zipper side 1.5 inches. So for my neck, I will go for my neck 5 inches, and to bring it down 2 inches for the neckline for the back. And now my shoulder is 16 inches divided by 2. That will give us 8 inches. So that is my 8 inches. And from my shoulder to my chest line, 8.5 inches. So on this place, that is from my shoulder to my chest line, that's where we get our measurement for the bust. My bust is 38 divided by 4. That will give us 9 inches point 5, and adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So I'll also place my tape to get my armhole curve 2 inches, and then I'll curve it. So on this downside, that's where we'll get our waist measurement. Now our waist measurement is 32 inches divided by 4. That will give us 8 inches for the tape, adding 1 inch for my dowel. It will have a dowel, and then adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. And then to slope the shoulder, marking ½ inch, and then I'll slope it like this. So I will connect the marks together now. And now after doing all of this, I will use this back piece to cut the front piece. And also I will not just leave my down part like this, that is the bottom. I'll mark 1 inch to curve it so that it will balance well. So that is it. So then I will cut now. So this is the back piece I'm cutting first, and I'll also use it now to cut the front piece. So please comment and subscribe to my channel. So that is it. So let me open the back part by the zipper side, and also cut out the neckline for the back. So that is it. I've cut it out now, the back piece now. So my back piece and my front piece is cut out now. So I'll take it to the machine to go and stitch together now. I'm joining my bust now. So I've already joined the body part now. So to measure the bust, my bust is 38. This is my 38. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 2 inches at the both side. So I'll put 2 inches this way, added 2 inches this side of it. So coming to my waist is 32. So this is my 32. The one that remains, I will count it at 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 inches at both sides, 2 inches at this side of it too. So connect it together like this. Connect it like this. And then we'll take it out, because all this side that remains is flare. So we'll take it out. So all this side that remains is flare. So I'll go and stitch it with the back and the front together. My dress is ready to wear. As you can see the lovely pockets here. So this is how I achieve this pocket. I hope you understand how we got it and the finishing. So this is the neckline for the neck, and this is the body. So let me take it up a bit so that you can see how it goes. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, share it so that others can see and watch. So this is it. Very lovely. And watch it again. Comment if you have not done that. So let me also take it again so that you can see how it is. So can you see how it goes? Look at it, look at it, look at the fine pocket. So you can make this for yourself. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.